Yes, hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes and you people are also studying regularly. Yes, students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Yes, students, today we will do the sums of exercise 6.3. But before doing the sums of exercise 6.3, I want to tell you one important thing that is used in this exercise, that is like and unlike fractions. What are like fractions and what are unlike fractions? See here and understand it carefully. Here students, like fractions and unlike fractions. What are the like fractions? Like fractions, the fractions with same denominator. The fractions with same denominators are called like fraction. Here you can see I have written 3 fractions and here you can see 3 fractions denominators are same. In here you can see 3 is there in every fraction's denominator. So these 3 fractions are called like fractions. These 3 fractions are called like fractions. And here you can see one more example. 5 over 9, 2 over 9, 7 over 9. All these are having the same denominator. So these are also like fractions. Yes. Now what are the unlike fractions? Unlike fractions, the fractions with different denominators. The fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. The fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Yes, here is 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Here you can see both the denominators are different. These are not same. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. Here you can see 2 by 9, 1 by 7, 3 by 9. Here you can see in these two fractions denominator is same but the third is not same. So these 3 fractions are unlike fractions because these are having different denominators. Yes. Hope you have understood this concept. Like fractions with same denominator and unlike fractions with different denominator. Yes, now using this concept, we will do exercise 6.3. Write the fraction each shaded figure. Now we have to write the fraction for shaded portion and state which are like or unlike fractions. See here. Here you can see there are 3 equal parts. So in the denominator we will write 3 and 2 parts are shaded. We will write here 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are done. 2 are shaded. So fraction will be 2 by 6. Here 3 parts are done. Denominator 3 and 1 is shaded, so 1. So here 3 fractions, 2 by 3, 2 by 6, 1 by 3. These 3 are having different denominators, so these are unlike fractions. So these are unlike fractions. Yes, now let's move to next. Here you can see 3 equal parts are done. And shading is done in 2 boxes, so fraction will be 2 by 3 and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts, so 5 will be written in denominator, 2 are shaded, so 2 will be written here and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts, 5 will be written in denominator and 2 are shaded, 2 will be written here. And here you can see these 3 fractions are having different denominators. These 2 are having same but this is different. Yes, so these are unlike fraction. These 3 fractions are unlike fractions because these 3 fractions are not having the same denominator. Now let's move to C part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal parts. Here 7 will be written. 6 are shaded. So fraction will be 6 by 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal parts and 3 are shaded. So here fraction will be 3 by 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal parts and 5 are shaded. So fraction will be 5 by 7. And here you can see all 7s are there in the fractions denominator. So these are like fractions. So these are like fractions. Yes, now move to sum number 2. Here you can see, here identify the pairs of like and unlike fractions. Here you can see different denominators, so we will write unlike fractions. Here different denominator, unlike fraction. Here different denominator, unlike fraction. Yes, then here different same denominator, like fractions. These are also like fractions and these are also like fractions because denominators are same. Yes students, now in this way I hope you have understood exercise 6.3. Thanks and have a beautiful day. Now you do this exercise on book with the help of the pencil. Yes, sum number 2 also you can do on the book with the help of the pencil. Yes, hope for your best. Thanks and have a beautiful day. God bless you.